The U.S. economy added 162,000 jobs in July, a number consistent with slow but steady job growth. But despite a 0.2% decline in unemployment, last month's job numbers suggest employers remain cautious. More telling is the quantity and quality of the new jobs. Mark Hamrick heads the Washington bureau at Bankrate.com. He spoke to VOA via Skype.
Here, the number of hours worked, not impressive. Earnings declined, and there's a large number of the composition of the jobs in here have been part-time jobs, and so in all, it's a quality of the jobs and the quantity of the jobs being created are both very much in question.
The number of jobs added last month was also the fewest since March, and well below consensus expectations of about 185,000. On Wall Street, reaction has been muted, but others remain optimistic about stronger job growth in the second half of the year. Ken Simonson at the National Association for Business Economics points to the group's latest survey.
The firms said that on balance they had added to their head count over the last quarter, and over the next 6 months they expect to continue hiring on balance at a pretty high rate.
Also on the positive side, manufacturing added 6,000 jobs, the first gain since February. And hiring in professional and technology services also increased. Mark Hamrick says another bright spot for American workers is that global economies are starting to see signs of stability.
Europe is looking a little better, and China has reported some modest growth. The U.S. economy is dependent on a strong global economy, and that includes U.S. manufacturers. If there's more demand overseas, that helps U.S. manufacturers, and they can start thinking about growth going forward.
Another issue investors will likely not have to worry about are any sudden changes to the central bank's monetary policies. Analysts say sluggish economic growth in the second quarter and smaller than expected job gains in July suggest the Federal Reserve is unlikely to scale back anytime soon on bond purchases that have kept long-term interest rates at record lows. Arcega, VOA News, Washington.